fucking Legend. Just nothing. It sounds like riding around in my Legend, nothing but fuel pump.
That's the other thing I'd like to do is get that rear seat delete. Go glide it up a little bit here, at least from the fuel pump.
Gotta say, I like these seats. These are actually pretty comfy for being NRGs.
No, dude, these are some fucking like knockoffs. they're like F1 spec or something like that.
Huh.
But they're just some decent bargain fucking seats. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, whatever. They came with the car. Eventually, I would like to get something a little bit nicer. But at the moment, they serve the purpose.
Yeah, I was really impressed when I seen it, and I was like, oh, I definitely gotta get a ride in this thing.
Yeah.
Because, like, you don't see actual builds anymore in fucking Pittsburgh, so when you seen this, I was like, oh, hell yeah. I was like, this is more my alley.
This has, like, been my dream car for so fucking long.
And it's spec to, like, because I know overseas there was like a million more to these specs than what we had here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you're going to hear much in this video other than a whole bunch of noise, but that's what it's like. Fuck it, it'll still be fun. So this is like LSD all around, I'm assuming?
What's that?
Is it like an LSD all around or like a helicoil system or something?
Yeah, well, it's just the, it's the shear track system that's in the 05s.
Okay. Yeah, because it sounded like something like there's a straight cut somewhere, and I'm like, oh, sounds cool. Don't get a ticket. So what'd you say this is making? 530?
546 in wheels.
What's the torque on it? If you know.
Don't recall.
Feels pretty good. Of course, there's a fucking cop.
That's how I was like, yep. Yeah, he's gonna come and pull me over.
Hit up the side road. He didn't pull out though.
No, he didn't. As soon as I see those taillights, whenever I started coming up and around there, I was like, I know the fucking cop's sitting there. And I was like, no, 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 no.
The cops?
It sounded like just missing there. I don't know what's going on there.
Oh, yeah.
It sounded like just like missing or something there. Oh, man.
Yeah, I heard a little bit of a breakup. I mean, I'm not the Subaru guy, so I don't know how this shit sounds normally. So. Can't tell if he's behind me. Nah, he let you go. Definitely that Impala drove by.
Can't believe he drove by. That was weird. This motherfucker.
just that it's cold? I don't know, like it's like full standalone, or how does this work?
Yeah, that's the standalone right there, the Hydra EMS. I wish it had a better tune, but
Yeah, it's Gino. I don't know if you know him, but
nah.
I like it. It doesn't have much. I mean, it has the race car feel for sure, but like I was expecting it to be worse. It's actually pretty well put together. Like, so whoever built it, props to him. Yeah, she has a little Evo something, MR or GSR, I forget, whatever the auto one is. And like that thing's wrapped. It's got a line lock on it. And some other stuff I forget. Mostly a muffler deletes, you know, typical stuff. It's clean though.
Oh yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah, he used to have a nice ass something, I forget. Another Evo. He also has a 3000 GT, but it's like never together.